Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin at the printer now, don't delay. From the control panel or EWS via the printer IP, go to Network or Wireless Settings, then Wi-Fi Direct. You need admin access. Use the admin PIN or HP Smart Credentials, because this setting controls hotspot access. Once done, select Wi-Fi Direct options to view current SSID and passphrase. Make sure you have a strong new passphrase ready. This prevents unauthorized printing and keeps your network secure. Now you'll change the password itself. From Wi-Fi Direct settings, choose Configure or Security, then select Passphrase or Password. You enter a new passphrase that meets length and complexity. Use letters, numbers, and symbols so it resists guessing. Type it slowly and confirm. Once you save or apply, the printer updates its internal Wi-Fi Direct profile. This protects every device that uses that hotspot. Make sure the SSID didn't revert. If it did, rename it to something recognizable before moving on. Finish by reconnecting your laptop or phone to the printer's Wi-Fi Direct SSID using the new passphrase. This verifies the change. Then print a network config or test page from the control panel to confirm the password and SSID are active. If a device won't connect, restart both the printer and device, then try again. If problems persist, reset Wi-Fi Direct to defaults, reconfigure the passphrase, and ensure the printer firmware is up to date. This fixes most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.